Popular Nigerian gospel singer Dunsin Oyekan is being teased online after his favorite football team, Barcelona, was knocked out of the UEFA Champions League by Inter Milan. The match, played on Tuesday, 6th of May 2025 at San Siro Stadium in Italy, ended Barcelona's journey in the season's Champions League. Many fans, including Dunsin, had hoped Barcelona would win. Before the match, Dunsin shared a tweet saying his son predicted Inter Milan would win, but Dunsin believed Barcelona would be victorious. He even joked that he used the Mantle, a spiritual item, to change the result in Barcelona's favor after the first leg draw. "My son said Inter Milan was going to win. I said no, it's Barca. I had to use Mantle to change it. Opelope anointing," he tweeted. However, after Inter Milan beat Barcelona and moved on to the final, many Nigerians found Dunsin's old tweet and began teasing him. Some fans asked what happened to the anointing he mentioned, while others joked that his son had the true spiritual powers. Some fans took Dunsin Oyekan's statement as a joke, while others defended him, saying people should respect ministers of God. The loss was hard for many fans, but it also brought fun and laughter online, especially with Dunsin Oyekan's tweets trending again. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Do well to share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and keep watching NaijaNews TV.